Got him. Try it again. Follow through, okay? Baseball player stand. Stand like a baseball player. There you go. Got him again. You got him in both. Try to get him in the middle of his eyes. Between the eyes. Nice. Try it one more time. Try it again. Just get him in the forehead. Nice. Did you get him? Is this Tyler versus Angry Bird? Alright, try it again.
Maybe I put it in my pocket.
No, just put it in the arrow holder. Tyler, put it in the arrow holder. Tyler, in the arrow holder, please. No, it's easier. You need a little pocket cover.
For the pocket.
Alright. So this is Tyler versus Angry Birds. Take 2. Huh? Try it again. Whoa, you got him in the eyeball. Turn your body like a baseball player when you shoot.
That's hot, Mama.
Try it again.
Where's the heart?
Where's his heart? Forehead only. He doesn't have a body. So just hit his forehead again.
Me play chase me and I hit.
Uh-oh.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Shoot target.
Keep your body, aim at his head. Oh, you're shooting the target. Okay, good job.